Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated, dedicated and laid the foundation stone of over 30 development projects worth more than Rs 56,000 crore in Adilabad, Telangana today. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh has said that India cannot make independent decisions on global issues in line with national interests without self-reliance. Supreme Court has ruled that MPs and MLAs do not enjoy immunity from prosecution for taking bribes to make speech or cast a vote in the legislature. The first edition of the Naval Commanders Conference in 2024 is scheduled to commence tomorrow. The conference will be held in a hybrid format where the first phase will be held at sea. In Cricket Women's Premier League 2024, UP Warriors will face Royal Challengers Bangalore at M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru this evening. The match will begin at 7:30 p.m.